today, as well as some downloadable treats, which should put a dent in your wallet, but you can worry about that later. As for now, here are your picks for the week. On Tuesday, February 19th, Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance launches for Xbox 360 and PS3. The game takes place several years after Metal Gear Solid 4, to a time when cyborgs are becoming more commonplace in the world. This is the first Metal Gear game to appear on the Xbox 360 and features Raiden as a playable character in a skin-tight suit, of course, that gives him absolutely no street cred until he chops your face off. Another Tuesday release is Crysis 3 for Xbox 360, PS3, and PC. Players take on the role of Prophet as he returns to New York, only to discover that the city has been encased in a nanodome created by the corrupt Cell Corporation. Not to be outdone by Raiden's goofy-looking costume, the Prophet hunts down Cell troopers in his Zumba-armored nanosuit with a composite bow and devastating alien tech. Also on Tuesday is Assassin's Creed 3: The Tyranny of King Washington, The Infamy for Xbox 360, PS3, and PC.